It's another edition of Affirmation with the Nigerian fashionpreneur. Say this with me: what we say manifests. Your words are powerful, never take them for granted. Let's go. I am a successful business owner, and my potential for growth is limitless. Every sale I make brings prosperity and abundance into my business. I attract wealth effortlessly, and my financial success continues to soar. I am confident, driven, and fully capable of achieving my sales goals. Every challenge is an opportunity for greater achievement. I am dedicated to providing value to my clients, and in return, financial rewards flow abundantly. I trust in my abilities, and I am constantly learning and adapting to new opportunities. My mindset is a magnet for success, and I'm open to receiving the wealth and prosperity that is rightfully mine. I am a powerful force in the business world, and my financial success is inevitable. Today, I take bold actions that lead to profitable outcomes, and I celebrate each achievement with gratitude. I am on a path of continuous growth, and financial abundance is my reality. I am a thriving business owner, and money flows to me effortlessly. I am in control of my financial destiny, and I am grateful for the prosperity that surrounds me.